Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today is my gift-giving guide for the beauty lover that has everything and that you kind of want to wow them. So these are going to be super fun, but they're going to be really special, effective gifts if you have a really hard to buy for beauty lover in your life. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, so for the first one, it's going to have to be a self-plug. If you guys don't know, I am the owner of Hardware Beauty. It's hardwarebeauty.com, and I make vegan brush rolls. This is the big size. This is the gray collection. So we had ones that were all black, that sold out. We also have a smaller version that's black and pink, but this is the large version. So the reason why I created it was for travel as well as keeping everything hygienic in your vanity or on your counter or whatever, you know, wherever you keep your makeup supplies. But this is the gray one, and it holds brushes in here. They're pockets. And you can go on the website for pictures and things like that. But there are bigger pockets in here as well. There's two bigger pockets that you can put palettes in. I actually designed this to be able to hold the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. And so you can put your palettes in here, keep them safe, make sure they don't break. I carry my skincare in here when I travel, etc. So they are vegan, leather, washable, very, very luxe. They are handmade in San Francisco, California, and this is vegan leather as well as faux fur. So I will link them below. And since this is my company, I will make sure if you order them today or tomorrow, I will get them to you by Christmas. All right. This will really change somebody's kind of organization and travel routine. All right. Okay, so for the next one, so I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, but it's called Levana. If you follow me on Instagram, I showed you their bigger one, but this is such an amazing little technology. Oh, the little card fell out of it. But basically in here, this uses NASA technology that is like thermal technology. So it actually keeps your cosmetics and skincare at the perfect temperature so they don't spoil, whether you're traveling or in your purse or something like that. I like the travel one because especially here in Colorado, it gets real hot and real cold. I put my concealer and my lipstick and stuff like that so it doesn't freeze if I'm outside, but especially helpful in the summer or if you live in hotter places. It'll make sure that all of your cosmetics and skincare and all that good stuff stay in perfect, perfect working order so they don't spoil, as well as if you travel with sunscreen. You guys, if sunscreen is heated up too much, it completely dissolves the properties of that SPF, so this will make sure that your SPF is in great condition. And anyway, but it's such amazing technology, and if that beauty lover that you have in your life has everything, they absolutely need this, so I will link that below as well. Okay, and then the third one I would recommend is, honestly, this thing's from Lemieux. I'm sure you can find several others out on the internet, but this is the one I stand by. This is a sonic cleansing device, exfoliating device, as well as a product penetrator. If you guys have seen many of my videos, I've talked about this. This is kind of like a spatula. So basically you keep your face wet and you turn it on and it vibrates. And you move it along the skin and it exfoliates and cleanses the pores really effectively, but so gentle. So this is perfect for people that have sensitive skin, rosacea, eczema, things like that, where they can't use traditional exfoliators, where maybe they can't use acids. This is fantastic. And then you flip it around and you go like this on your skin after you applied your serums, and it helps the serums penetrate more. I just think it's a really useful tool that will last them forever, and they will be so grateful to you whenever they use this once a week or once every 2 weeks. But this is such a fantastic mini face scrubber, I guess is what I could call it. Okay, and then this one was sent to me in PR. It is the most interesting thing ever. I'm going to show you here. Okay, you ready? Look how crazy this is. you're gonna see all of the stuff in the back here. But I will put up pictures as well. But this is called high mirror, okay? And what it does is you look into the mirror like this, and it can actually be a regular mirror, and then you also can program down here, and it actually has skin analyzer, it has a makeup studio, so you can actually take a picture of yourself and try on colors that you, like different colors of makeup, to see what works for you, and then you can go buy that kind of color. And it also is Alexa enabled, and it also is, you can obviously connect it to your Alexa device, as well as your internet. You can watch tutorials on this, and then follow it in the mirror as the tutorial is playing in the mirror. It is the most incredible, technologically advanced mirror I have ever seen in my life. When I analyzed my skin on this, it was so accurate. And what you do is it analyzes all the areas of your face, and then it gives you like a report card on what areas need to have improvement. And then you kind of do those improvements, and then you take a picture of your skin every month and see if the skincare that you're using is actually improving those areas. I just think it's so cool. Like, they're not paying me to say this, they just sent this to me. They actually did want to do a sponsored post that I might do at some point, but I just wasn't ready to do that. But they did send it to me in PR. I just have been blown away. It gives you the it gives you news, it gives you the weather, and then just lastly, it has lights on it. So whenever you're putting your makeup on like this, you're lit, which I think is fantastic. Isn't that gorgeous? And you can adjust the light, all of that kind of thing. The only thing that I don't think it has on here, which you can correct me if I'm wrong, is a magnification. So if you're looking for magnification, this mirror does not have that. Listen. I mean, it has sound and everything. It's just so cool. So if you have a beauty lover in your life, that would be the most amazing gift ever. All right. So then, for something that I have been wanting to talk to you guys about for a while now, and let me know if you guys want me to do like a full review video, or if you want me to do it every couple of months. I subscribe to, this is gonna look a little crazy, but this is Rachel Zoe's Box of Style. Okay, this is probably the only box thing or subscription that I subscribe to. It's super expensive, it's $99 a month, but I thought it might be fun for you to buy one box for somebody, or maybe like a couple of months for somebody. It doesn't come every month, it comes every 2 months. But I think this is like the first box that I have been like, the first subscription like program that I've actually been like, you know what, this is kind of worth it. Okay, so it comes with a book, and it tells you about all of the things that are in each box, okay? And it also gives you tips on how to wear the clothes if that comes in it. You can customize the box sometimes, but I think this is a lifesaver. This month's box came with like a sample, which is fine, whatever. It came with, what else did it come? Oh yeah, okay. So it comes with a couple different samples. I'm trying to put this here. So this is like a Chanel mascara, whatever. It came with this beautiful necklace that actually is real diamonds. You guys can see it. It's real diamonds. Beautiful. It's by Andrea Foreign, I think is the brand. And then it came with a Rachel Zoe and Lorac collaboration. It's like a little mini palette, and it's these cute little fun glitters that I might do a look with for like New Year's or something. That's fun. Okay, now the first box I got had a much better, in my opinion, skincare in it. It was a retinol by a pretty cool company. This one is an Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme. It's like a cream, so I'll be giving this to my mom because she likes this, but this is not like, I don't think this is like my jam. But it does come with makeup and skincare each time they send you out a box. But look at this candle. I mean, the box keeps going. This is $99, remember, this whole box is $99, and we already got diamonds. This is so good. So this is Starry Night. It's a candle by Ethic Supply Company. and it is so beautiful and gorgeous. She just has such an amazing aesthetic that she has curated, and her company has really followed like suit with that on these boxes. I think it's gorgeous. And then the final thing is she sent in that box this gorgeous, gorgeous robe. You saw me wear it in another video that I posted just a little bit ago, but this robe is so beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. Now, it can be either worn as a robe, like, you know, a proper robe, or she shows you how to wear it out and about, and I did. So I wore it with a turtleneck, pants, heels, and it looked unstoppable. So I love that. So anyway, I thought that would be so fun to give somebody as a really great, kind of very special gift. And yeah, I hope these help you out for your last minute shopping, since probably today and tomorrow is your last bet to get things to where you need them to be. Anyway, I hope you all have a fantastic holiday. Today's giveaway is going to be for one lucky winner, another mystery box of mine, and my mystery boxes are slammed full of products. And I actually might be doing 2 in this. I just have to figure all that out. But make sure you guys comment below, just saying hi, or maybe some of your special, like maybe where you'd like to buy gifts for people or whatever. And it's 18 and older, international. This will end though tomorrow at midnight, and I'll put that in the description box below. All right, well, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.